So I'll be showing you how to change the name or how to rename your Powerbeats Pro Tools. So the first thing you want to do is make sure they're next to your phone, connected, and then launch the Powerbeats Pro app. On the iPhone, I'll just need to go to settings, and on the main settings page, tap on the Powerbeats Pro app. That opens up the app. And at the top of the app there, right below the battery levels, you should see name. So this is the default name of my Powerbeats Pro. All I have to do is edit whatever name is there. So for instance, I want to edit this one. Just remove that and then put that name. And then tap on done. And then tap on back. Now, as you can see, my Powerbeats Pro Tools have a new name. So that is basically how to rename that. Now you can change them to any name that you want. You can even remove the Powerbeats Pro name and just write anything you want. Simple as that. Okay. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.